Hi everyone, we're Team 14, and we're excited to introduce SkillsBridge, a digital platform designed to connect skilled volunteers with community projects that need their help. Our idea started after learning about communities like Vrygrond in Cape Town, where challenges such as poor waste management create real health and environmental risks. Working with our sponsor, Village Health, we discovered how small, community-led initiatives like reusable nappy programs or local laundry services can make a big difference. That's where SkillsBridge comes in. It's a platform built to bridge the gap between communities and volunteers, making it easier for people with skills to contribute to meaningful projects, whether it's setting up a clinic, starting a food garden, or supporting local enterprises. Our team includes Taskeen, who leads UI and UX designer, Caleb, our business analyst, Gatleho, our lead software developer, and Nihad, our project manager and front-end contributor. Together, we've built SkillsBridge to empower collaboration and create sustainable impact, one project at a time. Now, let's move on to our system demonstration. Our platform, SkillsBridge, was developed using React for the front end and Node.js for the back end. These technologies were chosen for their flexibility and performance, allowing us to create a responsive and user-friendly experience. The color scheme and overall design were carefully selected to align with our sponsor's branding, giving the platform a professional and cohesive look. Let's take a look at what a typical volunteer journey looks like on SkillsBridge. When a new volunteer is interested in joining, the first step is to complete an application form. Here, they provide key information such as their full name, email address, contact number, availability, and the role they wish to take on. This step helps project administrators review each applicant and ensure that the right people are matched with the right opportunities. Once the form is completed, the volunteer simply submits their application and waits for approval. During this stage, project managers can review applications in the admin dashboard, verify information, and approve or reject applications based on the needs of current projects. After approval has been granted, the volunteer receives an email notification inviting them to register on the platform. They can then create their login credentials, setting up a unique username and password, and officially join the SkillsBridge community. Upon logging in, the volunteer gains access to their personal dashboard. This is the central hub where they can see available projects, browse active tasks, and track their participation. The dashboard provides a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate and find opportunities that match their interests or skills. When a volunteer finds a project they'd like to support, they can view the project details, learn more about its goals, and then sign up for specific tasks that need to be completed. This feature ensures that every participant can contribute in a way that aligns with their skills and schedule. In addition to task management, the platform encourages communication and teamwork. Volunteers can take part in group discussions through an integrated WhatsApp channel, allowing them to stay updated, ask questions, and share ideas with project coordinators and other team members in real time. Overall, SkillsBridge creates a simple yet powerful way for communities to organize projects and for volunteers to get involved, bridging the gap between skills and social impact. And that concludes our system demonstration. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope you enjoyed exploring SkillsBridge, and we look forward to seeing how this platform can continue to support community-driven change.